Welcome to another segment of Cambrian College News Report. We're here to discuss the deliberate ignorance of the law in regards to this financial season. I'm of course referring to tax evasion. This intentional avoidance of civic responsibility can be stemmed from the attempting to overstate claimed expenses or put non-deductible claims as expenses. In addition, it can involve reporting taxable receipts lower than in reality, an attempt to evade owing the government several payments. Willingly refusing to abide by reporting regulations is viewed as an offense. Here to discuss more of the consequences is Maria.
Thank you, Caitlin. Depending on the severity of the tax evasion, not only would payment be required for the evaded amounts, but additional fines and even jail time could occur to the defendant. In certain circumstances, it is difficult to determine if the evasion was deliberate, such as not filing revenue earned. Other more serious cases are generally those with offshore accounts containing their earned income. Tax avoidance, unlike tax evasion, does not have criminal repercussions. Live on the scene, here's Pratika.
Tax avoidance is not technically breaking the law, but however the intention of the law. This avoidance transaction occur when unacceptable tax planning in order to reduce taxes while pushing law limit, in attempt to reduce or eliminate tax through transactions which are still technically within the law. Attempt to eliminate this discrepancy by establishing whether the avoidance is related to business purpose, besides reducing taxes will not be considered acceptable. Due to this being consistently rejected by the courts, it is very difficult to enforce consequences for tax avoidance. This Justin, we have two people like to ask about their thought on tax evasion. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to Cambrian News. I am Pratik Adhikari from Cambrian News. So today I am here to inquire how much people is aware about tax planning, tax evasion and tax avoidance. So I have randomly chosen two people here to discuss about this important topic. So let's begin. So can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everybody, it's me Raman from Sudbury.
Hi, and myself Aman from Sudbury.
Okay, thank you Aman and Raman.
You're welcome.
Okay, so hi Aman, do you have any kind of knowledge about tax planning, tax evidence and tax avoidance?
Well, I don't have a deep knowledge about these terms, but yeah, in my perspective, I think so. Tax planning is something you're planning for upcoming taxes. Tax evasion is like misprinting information in your tax returns or income taxes so as to avoid some taxes. And tax avoidance may be avoiding taxes, scheduling some events in order to save some of your money. I guess so. It means this only.
Sounds good. So what about you, Raman? Do you have any idea about this?
Well, as I said, I don't know much about these tax terms, but as I listen to Aman, so yeah, I think I have kind of idea. So I know about tax avoidance. That is basically, I think, avoiding taxes or so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me ask one question. Have you ever experienced any of this?
Yes, I guess I experienced tax planning because some of my colleagues and some of my senior staff like manager, they are indulged in tax planning. They always find ways to plan for their upcoming year taxes.
Oh really?
Yeah, you can try it too.
It seems to be easy.
No, it's not kind of easy, but you need to have some knowledge about tax planning term, so you can gather some knowledge. And if I see to tax avoidance and evasion, it's like unethical terms. These are things which are unethical and you should stay away from it because you can get penalties from CRA in form of some interest charges or fine.
Okay. So, Raman, do you have any experience about this?
I just started filing taxes. It's my initial year in filing taxes. So I don't know much about these. But as Aman said, tax planning seems to be good and it would work well for me, I think so. So I think I would start planning for my taxes.
You should, definitely, yeah.
Okay, Raman, thank you so much.
Thank you for bringing us over here and taking our interview to create awareness.
Yeah, I hope you will spread this video.
Okay, I'll do that, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep watching Cambrian News.
We here at Cambrian College News Report hope that the audience has a better understanding of tax evasion and the consequences related towards it. If you have any questions, please visit Canadian Revenue Agency's website www.crc/arc.gc.ca. Thank you and stay tuned for news at 11.